there were three. Now I can only see one. The grey one walking on the water. It must be pretty shallow. What happened to the other two? One of them flew away before I could get out my camera, which is a huge shame. Great big white wings. Oh my God, look at him. Is he going to fly? He looks like he might. Oh, he's having a whale of a time. Another one's coming out again. Okay. It's easier to see the white one. There's just so many birds flying past. This place is teeming with life. There's a white bird flying over there. Could that be one of the cormorants? Might be. Or is he coming here? Could he be? Wow. He's having fun. God. Oh, now they've all gone. Oh, he's over there. You know, when a bird really wants to fly, they really do a great job. Okay, they have left. Something jumped in. What was that? Goodness, it's an iguana. I didn't know they swam. I guess that's the problem. They can swim. Goodness gracious. That cormorant's still there. And above us, we're very close to the airport, so there's planes flying around all the time. Goodness gracious, that was a shock. Oh, there's a bird flying around. Wow, I really came at an amazing time. Rush hour on the, whatever this is. I thought it was part of the ocean, but I'm not sure that it is, because it seems to end. So this is like a dead end that came from the ocean and just stopped. But it's obviously alive if it's sustaining all these animals, because I saw the cormorants getting food out of the water. Okay, that was fun. March 12th, 2024, Susanna J. Dodgson. In the area of San Juan between Hato and Sagrada, Corazon.